All right, go for it.
A picnic in the rain.
A picnic in the rain.
Missing.
Moosling.
You probably won't know that. Why I have.
Can we just read? Okay.
Rabbit wanted to have a picnic, but it was raining. Rabbit saw Mouse. I don't like the rain, said Rabbit.
Nope. I don't like the rain.
He said.
He said, good job.
Sorry.
It's okay. Keep going.
Come and sit under my umbrella, said Mouse.
Umbrella's a big word.
I know.
Okay.
But the umbrella was too small. Mouse wanted to have a picnic with Rabbit, but it was raining. They saw skunk. We don't like the rain, said Rabbit. Come and
Nope. Comes.
sit in my tent, said Skunk.
Good job.
But the tent was much too small. Skunk wanted to have a picnic with Mouse and Rabbit too. But it was raining hard. We don't like
the first sentence is?
They stole whistling. We don't like.
No, we
want to have a
Read right.
picnic, said, but we don't like the rain, said Rabbit. Said,
good job. Just finish up.
do you have a big umbrella?
No, do you have a big what? Do you have a big...
Do you have a big tent? Missing Mouse, said Skunk. No, I don't, said
No, I don't.
he. Have a tent, said Moosling.
Moosling said.
Moosling said. Do you have a big umbrella? Said Mouse. No, I do not
Have.
have a big umbrella, said Missling. But I am big, he said. You,
Right.
I like the rain, wedge, and I am
Of.
love you. Love picnics, said
Come.
come and sit under me.
Okay. Next page.
A. Oh. And
What this is?
what
The
the
A. The
they
A. They.
had
And they did.
and they did.
Show the picture. Picture. Okay. Say later, Tater.
Later, Taser.